Hi everyone, you've seen these animated product videos everywhere. Landing pages, social media, ads. Here's a quick way to make them, even if you're not a developer. You describe what you want in plain English, and the AI builds it for you using Remotion. Let me show you how to set this up. Before we dive in, you'll need to grab two things. First, Node.js. Go to nodejs.org, download it, run the installer. Just click Next through everything. Second, OpenCode. This is the AI that will do the heavy lifting. Go to opencode.ai/download and grab the desktop app for your system. You'll need to connect an AI model. GPT, Gemini, any of the big ones work fine. Once those are installed, we are good to go. Now open your terminal. On Mac, find Terminal in Launchpad. On Windows, open Windows Terminal or PowerShell from the Start menu. The terminal starts in your Home folder. Let's move to your desktop. That way you can easily find your project later. Now we'll create a new video project. Type npx create-video at latest --blank and press enter. It asks about Tailwind CSS. Say yes. This makes styling easier. Then it asks add agent skills. Say yes to that too. This teaches the AI how to work with Remotion. Now type cd my-video and press enter. Then npm install. This takes a minute or two. And finally npm run dev. Remotion Studio opens in your browser. This is your live preview. You'll see your video update in real time as you build it. Open the OpenCode app and point it to your my-video folder on your desktop. If you want to use your own images, like a logo, just drop them in the public folder inside your project. I like this setup: OpenCode on the side, preview on the other. 3 simple rules to get the best results when building Remotion videos with AI. First, tell the agent to use Remotion best practices skill. Tell it explicitly so the agent picks it up correctly. Second, do one thing at a time. Don't ask for 5 or 10 changes in one message. And third, use Remotion documentation. You can copy the page or add .md to the end of the URL to get a markdown version and feed it to your AI agent. Let's create a short promo video for music CD store. I'm gonna create it section by section. And the first one is just a black background and some white text on it. I'm gonna ask it for white text on a black background. There we go. Simple, but it works. Now we need to reveal the brand. I've got this logo I dropped into the public folder, so I'll tell it to show that. And let's give it a warm orange gradient background. Nice, that's our reveal. Let's create a next section. Every good promo needs some social proof, right? Let's add a counter that counts up to 12,000 happy customers. I'll tell it to keep the same background style so it feels connected to the previous section. And here we go. Now here's where it gets fun. I want to show off some albums, but I don't have any real artwork. So I'm gonna ask for 5 CD covers as abstract gradient cards. Different colors, sliding in one by one. Cool, here's our cards. Every ad needs a call to action. So I'm gonna ask it to create a final section with the website URL and some nice tagline. And it looks like this. Very simple, yet works. 10 minutes and you've got a real promo video. Don't like something? Just tell the AI. So at this point I had the basic structure done, but the album covers section needed work. I spent next 15 minutes going back and forth with the AI. I added a nice little disc to each album card, tweaking the animation timing, adjusting the positions, making the cards bigger, changing the spacing, just small things. Then I wanted to take it further. I grabbed the Remotion documentation on audio visualization, pasted it into the chat, and asked AI to make the whole thing audio reactive. Now the visuals pulse with the music. And here's how final result looks like. And that's it. Honestly, once you've done it a couple of times, it gets pretty fast. All the links are in the description. If you end up making something, drop it in the comments. We would love to see what you come up with.